I found the secret to viral campaigns without hiring an expensive agency. Click the link in the description below to get your lifetime deal discount before it disappears. If you're tired of paying monthly subscriptions for social media tools that barely do half the job, listen up. Sociamonials is the comprehensive social media management platform that's causing quite the stir, and for good reason. Imagine managing up to 30 social profiles from one workspace, scheduling up to 1,000 posts daily, and running viral campaigns that actually work. No more juggling between different platforms or paying through the nose for basic features. With Sociamonials, you get the full package: automated posting, multi-account management, advanced analytics that actually make sense, and viral campaign templates that turn your followers into your marketing team. And yes, it works with Twitter or X or whatever Elon's calling it this week. The best part? AppSumo is offering a lifetime deal for just $69. That's right, no monthly fees, no annual renewals, just one payment and you're sorted for life. Compare that to other platforms charging you every month until the end of time. Stack multiple codes and you'll unlock even more features like white label branding. Perfect if you're running an agency and want to look fancy. And with the integrated AI writer, you'll never stare at a blank screen wondering what to post again. Don't just take my word for it. Sociamonials has a 4.3 out of 5 rating from over 225 verified users. And if you're still on the fence, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. Proper job. Click the link in the description now to grab your lifetime deal and say goodbye to monthly subscription nightmares. Your social media game is about to level up, and your wallet will thank you. Click the link in the description below to get your lifetime deal special offer. Cheers!